Kurtz for Easy Access Math, and today we're going to talk about probability using cards. First, let me show you a little bit about a standard deck of cards. Standard deck has 52 cards, 26 cards are black, 26 cards are red. There are 13 of each suit: the spade, the club, the heart, the diamond, the heart. And 4 of each value. There are 4 twos, 4 threes, all the way up to 4 aces. Now, you would have 1 or 2 questions on probability using cards. One would be a question involving and. When you see and, you would multiply, and it involves more than one card. For example, if I said the probability of pulling out a heart and then a club, well, the probability of pulling out a heart would be 13 over 52 times, I have 13 clubs, but I only have 51 cards left. If I pull it out without replacement, often a problem would say with or without replacement, and if that club is not replaced, if that heart is not replaced, then there's one less card in the deck when you're going for the club. So it'd be 13 out of 51. Now, if I have a problem that says or, the probability of pulling out a spade or now, if I have a problem that says or, for example, the probability of pulling out a club or a 9. Well, in this case, we're going to add. And it's talking about one card if it says or. There are 13 clubs in the deck, and there are 4 nines. Now that looks like I'm going to add them and get 17, but you need to be careful. You need to subtract 1, because one of those cards is the 9 of clubs. It's both, and you don't want to double count this card. So what we have to do is subtract out one of the clubs or one of the 9, so we don't double count the 9 of clubs. And that leaves us with 16 cards. There are 13 clubs plus 3 additional 9s, because we don't want to count that 9 of clubs twice. And that gives us 16 out of the total cards, which is 16 over 52. And of course, in math, you'd like to reduce when you can. We could reduce that 16 over 52 to 8 over 26. And we could reduce 8 over 26 to 4 over 13. And that would be my answer. And that's a little bit on probability using cards. And again, be careful. You don't want to double count the card.